According to WHO, one life is lost every 23 seconds in India. Roads are one of the most polluted places. However, people think they are protected from polluted air if the AC inside the car is on while they're driving, right? Well, sorry to break your myth, because the air you breathe inside your car can be 2 to 5 times more dangerous. The air outside your car is polluted by the emission from vehicles and other polluting sources. The toxic air then enters your car and takes your life for a deadly ride. Asthma, lung cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, heart disease, stroke, acute respiratory infections in children. Studies reveal that the major contributor to these illnesses are micro-sized pollutants called PM2.5, particles that are 25 to 100 times smaller than a human hair. A team of researchers, clinicians, engineers and designers met at Stanford University, USA to work on today's biggest healthcare problem. Their journey to AIIMS, India sowed the seeds of a bio-design invention. Through thorough research, they came up with a groundbreaking air purification system called Airlens Car Air Sanitizer with 3 unique benefits. It reaches WHO standard air quality inside your car in just 2 minutes. It costs less than 1/10 of a conventional car air purifier. It is powered by the world's first active molecular technology with minimum airflow resistance. Let's understand the Airlens Car Air Sanitizer's functionality diagrammatically. As soon as the airflow enters, it goes through 3 layers before it gets ready for you to breathe. Layer 1 is where dust and pollen gets captured. Layer 2, which is called the AMT layer, where PM2.5, PM10, bacteria and other germs are captured. Then the air comes to the 3rd layer, where it meets optimally packed activated carbon material that traps harmful gases, VOCs and odor. This product can be termed as the epitome of efficiency, unlike ordinary air filters fitted in some cars which can't protect you from pollution. Airlens Car Air Sanitizer very skillfully banishes harmful particles, bacteria, germs and toxic gases at a much higher speed than a car air purifier because of its inbuilt technology and the car's powerful fan system. These sanitizers come with a lifespan of 6 months. This innovation is making headlines for all the right reasons. It bagged the Best Innovator Award at Startup India. It was one of the top 10 most promising change makers of Asia and has been conferred with many other accolades from all over. We are delighted to find support and association from education institutes like Stanford, AIIMS and IITs. Healthy breath is a fundamental right, not a luxury. Airlens Car Air Sanitizer. Breathe wow.